Study every single frame. I don't just live.
G'day viewers, Dano here from Dano's channel. I'm back at you one more again. Today we're going to change out the airbag bellows in the old Hilux here. I've got Skip on camera. Say g'day, Skip. Good. Yeah, so these airbags are knackered in the Hilux. I'm going to just change out the bellows. So without too much more rooting around, let's get into it. Rightio, we're going to start off by jacking the car up and throwing some axle stands under it. Then we'll whip the wheel off and take the old airbags out. Righto, now we've got it all jacked up. We've got a jack stand underneath the chassis. We'll pull this one out from underneath our axle and we'll start taking the airbag out. Alright, now that I've let the jack down, you can see the bellows have expanded. I'm going to try and cheat a little bit. I'm going to undo the little bolts on each end of the bellows and try and separate the bellows from the components securing it to the chassis and see if we can make this job a little bit quicker rather than taking the mounts off of the springs and off the chassis. Let's see how we go. Alright, Skip's pointed out that we've run into a bit of a hiccup here. So we can't get this bolt all the way out because of the chassis mount. So what I'm going to do is I'll let the jack down a little bit more, and as I let the jack down, the airbag should pull the threads down through, and it'll give me enough room to undo it and get it out. Cheers for that, Skip. Beauty. There we have it. Alright, just got to get this one that's down the bottom here, that's in a prick of a spot as well. I don't know if you can see it. Focus, you fuck. That one there. And we'll be able to take the airbag out altogether. You! Alright, there you have it. That's the old airbag. Look at it. Got a hole on it. Like my ex-missus. Allegedly. Alright, all we've got to do now is clean this surface up, clean up the upper surface, and we'll fit the new airbag. Job should be right. Doing it this way, I haven't had to disconnect any air lines or anything like that. It's all been pretty quick. So let's get on to getting it on. Alright, I'm going to give it a hit with a bit of brake cleaner. And that should be all that I need to do to give it a bit of a clean up. Might even give it a hit with a wire brush just to take a bit of crap off it. Doesn't look too bad. The sealing surface looks like it'll be suitable. So next step is put the new one in. Rightio, we've got the airbag roughly in place. I've got all the bolts started. Skip was on the jack, he was just jacking it up and letting it down a little bit to make it a little bit easier. It's something that you can do by yourself, you don't need two people. But all we've got to do now is tighten up all these little bolts here and give it a whirl. So come back to you after that's all done. Rightio, job done. Look, I'm pretty happy with these so far. I jumped online to that Boss Air Suspension. They're over in Queensland. I jumped on their web chat and said to the fella what I wanted, and he sent me a couple of links and stuff like that. And yeah, once I decided exactly what I wanted, and they were super helpful, I ordered them, and look, it only took a couple of days for them to come across from Queensland to here, and yeah, job's done now. Really happy with them. They are good quality airbag. Now I've just got to do the other side, throw a bit of air in it, and job will be right. Alright, hope you've enjoyed the video. These jobs aren't hard, have a crack at them yourself. I've done most of this with a little 10mm ring open ender, a jack and a jack stand. Nothing really special. Alright, thanks for tuning in. If you're not already subscribed, don't forget to click that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, it really helps us out. Cheers. There you have it, viewers. Nice, quick, easy install. Anyone can do it. All that we've got to do now is throw a bit of air in our fittings here. Pump it up. These airbags are good for anywhere between 5 and 160 psi, so they're a really good airbag. They've got a bursting pressure of about 600. They've been tested to about 480 psi, which is great. I'd like to give a big shout out to Steve from over in Bellow way. He's a long time supporter of the channel, so thanks for your support, Steve-o. Cheers. Skip and I have really enjoyed your support over the years. So give me a wave, Skip. Cheers. Alright, we'll throw a bit of air in this and yeah, I'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.